Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now by measuring 200 ml milk, 2 tablespoon cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon sugar. Heat 50 ml of the milk until warm so the cocoa dissolves evenly. This prevents grit. Once the powder is fully dissolved into the warm milk, combine it with the cold milk and any optional 1/2 banana in your blender. Make sure to add a few ice cubes at this stage for chill and dilution control. This first mixture sets texture and sweetness balance for the rest. You now blend. Pulse 10-15 seconds to break ice and combine ingredients, then run medium speed for 20-30 seconds to create smooth, aerated Choco juice. Once done, pause and inspect the viscosity. If it's too thick, add 25-50 ml milk and blend briefly, and if too thin, add half a banana to thicken naturally. Make sure to taste test for sweetness. Add 1 teaspoon sugar at a time, blending briefly between additions, so you finish by pouring the Choco juice into a chilled glass and garnish with cocoa dust or a small swirl of whipped cream if you like. If the drink is grainy, dissolve the cocoa in 30-40 ml warm milk and reblend to eliminate grit. If it's too sweet or thin, make sure to add ice or unsweetened milk and blend briefly to rebalance texture. A tiny pinch of lemon can brighten flavor without making it tangy. Serve immediately for best foam and chill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.